Okay, number one of the problem set, we are given an f prime graph. And so then it's asking us different questions. Given this f prime graph, on what intervals is f of x decreasing? So f of x is going to be decreasing whenever f prime x is negative. So we can see that's going to be in this section and in this section. So that's going to go from x equals -5 until x equals -3. So this is our interval of x values, and also from x equals 3 to x equals 5. So then we'll write our interval like that. Okay. On what intervals is f of x increasing but concave down? So f of x is going to be increasing wherever f prime is positive. So we're looking for a positive f prime. And it's going to be concave down whenever f double prime is negative. And f double prime is negative when f prime is decreasing, because f double prime is like the slope of f prime. So what we're looking for is f prime positive, but f prime decreasing to make f double prime negative. So f prime is positive and decreasing from here until here. So we'll say that that's from -infinity until -5. And then f prime is negative, f prime is positive and increasing, which means that it's f would be concave up. But now f prime is positive and decreasing again from x equals 0 to x equals 3. So that's our next interval. And then that's it, because now f prime is negative again. And then after x equals 5, f prime is positive, but it's increasing. So again, f would be concave up there. So -infinity to -5 and 0 to 3 are where we are increasing but concave down. Now, what x values is f of x at a minimum? So that's going to be when f prime goes from negative to positive. So f prime goes from negative to positive right there, and it also goes from negative to positive right there. Okay, we can see that graphically. -0 positive, -0 positive. So that's at x equals -3 and x equals 5. And then where we have point of inflection, well, that's where f double prime switches signs. So we need f double prime to switch either negative to positive or positive to negative, which means that f prime needs to switch from increasing to decreasing or decreasing to increasing. So if we look at this graph, f prime is decreasing from -infinity till this minimum right here. And that means f double prime is negative, but then f prime starts increasing. So it decreases and then it increases. So f double prime goes from negative to positive at this minimum. And then f prime is increasing then decreasing. So f double prime goes from positive to negative. Again, looking at the slope of f prime here. And then we're decreasing then increasing right there. So we're looking just for the mins and maxes of f prime. So it's x equals -4.123, x equals 0, and x equals +4.123.